Now, if you're having issues with playing the Backrooms here and Escape the Backrooms and your mic is not working, well, there are a few things that you may want to do here. The first things first is you want to guarantee that your mic is actually properly set up in your Windows PC. So, typically to do that, you want to go to your search bar here, just type in settings, and you want to access your settings here. Now, under settings, you want to go ahead and go to system. Now, under system, you want to look for sound. And under sound, you want to go and scroll down a bit here and look for input. Now, in here, you want to guarantee that your microphone is, or the microphone that you want to use is actually selected here. So by default, it might select your camera's microphone or your headset's microphone. So if you have a specific microphone that you want to use, you want to go to select that. And in here, you want to guarantee that there's like movement on this area here, and also it's not muted. Now, once you have that enabled, you should solve your issue. But if not, well, there are still other things that you may want to do here. Now, the next thing that you want to do here is you may want to check your settings for Steam. So you want to open up your Steam app or your Steam account here. Now, at the top left, you want to go to Steam. Now, you want to go ahead and just access settings. Now, under settings, you want to go ahead and scroll down a bit here at the left panel. You want to look for voice. Now, inside voice, you want to go ahead and just choose voice input device. Now, instead of the default here, you want to go and just select your microphone that you want to use. So, if you choose default, whatever is the default device, so what we selected before, is going to be the one that's going to be used. But if you select it specifically, like your microphone that you want to use here, well, this will make things a lot easier. Now, you go and just click on Start Microphone Test here to hear yourself if it's working. And yeah. So also, you may want to choose open mic here just to try if it actually works. But once you've done that, you can go and close this one, restart, escape the backrooms, and that should actually fix your issue. And that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.